So next is sample problem number 3. So let's read muna. Determine the depression H of the mercury in the glass capillary tube having diameter down of 2 mm in diameter when theta is equal to 40 degrees. Surface tension is equal to 0.514 Newton per meter. Excuse me. So, isulat muna natin yung given. So, given tayo ng diameter ulit. 2 mm. Ayan, given tayo ng theta. So, pag given ng theta yan, parang ganyan. So, yan yung gagamitin natin. 40 degrees, surface tension, 0.154 Newton per meter. And then gamma D. Yung gamma natin is 9, 8, 10 cubic meter. So, magta-times tayo ng 13.6. 13.6, ito yung SG or specific gravity of mercury. Ayan. So, yon, proceed tayo. Formula H is equal to 4 sigma cosine theta all over gamma D. So, H is equal to 4. Sigma natin is 0.154 Newton per meter. And then the cosine theta is 40 degrees. Ayan. So, yun, gamitin na natin. And then the gamma is 9, 8, 10 times 13.6 Newton per cubic meter times yung diameter natin na 2 mm. So, i-divide lang natin ng 1,000 mm times 1 meter. Kasi nga, 1 meter is 1,000 mm. So, yun. So, magiging dito, matitirang unit dito is meter. Kasi nga, pinakita naman na natin dun sa sample problem 1 yun kanina. So, magiging sagot dito is 0.0059 meter or 5.9 mm. So, yan yung sagot natin sa sample problem number 3.